Here's the deal. Like over 40 years ago, I made a deal with my wife. I would do the talking in these kind of things. Not that we ever had these kind of, awards banquets. You had to do those, right? So I would do the talking. She would ride the big bus to the meets. You know how those big buses are, guys, ladies, okay? All right. So we'll do this. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Section 9 is one of the bucket list things that I wanted to do when I was hanging around here for like 39 years. She was doing 35 years. Like consecutive, you talked about consecutive years. Yeah, a lot of years. This is one of the bucket list things. Do a little Hall of Fame for Section 9. I didn't even get to do it for my rinky-dink school, Trk-Valley. But thanks, guys, ladies, committee, for doing this. Really terrific. The entire committee. Thanks, family. Thanks for coming. We got it's not as big as Monroe, but we've got a little group over there in the corner.